In this video, we're going to be talking about Avalanche. We're going to be checking out the price, giving a technical analysis, and see where price is heading. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Avalanche, please do your own research. As I'm not a financial advisor, so as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Avalanche is currently up 18.4% at the time of recording. Avalanche has been very bullish over the day. You can see 18.4% in a day, which is crazy amounts of number, to be honest. So yeah, it's looking good for Avalanche. You can look on the chart here that we were um, pretty much consolidating them. Therefore, we had a huge impulse up and then a pullback and another huge impulse up, essentially making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, everything you need for a boom market. So if you quickly look on the weekly to see how price is getting on. So on the weekly, you can see here that we were pretty much overall bullish, which is the type of price action we like to see when it comes with Avalanche, as it is a very good project. It's got amazing ideas and stuff. So yeah, make sure you check them out. But we will get into trading view in a few moments. So yeah, let me just quickly do this. So you can just see pretty much everything you need for a bull market: higher highs, higher lows, pretty much higher highs, higher lows, and then another higher high. Essentially, this is the type of price action we love to see. If we check the monthly, we can see that we're now overall bullish, which is really nice to see that Avalanche is finally bullish. We were pretty much in the bearish zone. We tapped in once, two, four times this month. But on the quarterly, you can see that we're still overall bearish, but it looks like price is now approaching the equal highs and possibly even taking out this possible high as well at the rate it is going at the moment. If we check in the yearly, we're still crazy, we're still bullish. That's the type of price action we like to see when it comes to Avalanche. But let's quickly go over to trading view and have a bit more in-depth analysis on Avalanche. If you checked out my previous video, you would have seen that I had previously targeted this as my short-term goal for Avalanche. Um, Initially, I had thought that Avalanche would have retested this zone, pretty much taking out liquidity from this base, this base, this base, and this base. But it looks like but it looks like Avalanche have respected this strong. I wouldn't say respected, pretty much pierced through it, pretty much liquidated all the buyers on this region, and pretty much from then onwards, I think I'm in an accumulation phase at this rate. Yeah, I'm in an accumulation phase, and then from there onwards, you can see that price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then we had a low pullback. If we draw out the Fibonacci, we see how efficient that was. And what can we see here? So you can see here how perfect it was on the 0.618 region. Respected that very well. Had a huge impulse up. So this is what we like to see. In order for price to come back down again, we would be looking possibly around this region, the 0.618 area, as that is a very good strong support zone for another leg towards upside. So yeah, we are approaching the main target. But I feel like that Avalanche at the rate is going at the moment will definitely just pierce through it, essentially, pretty much just essentially break through it, and then possibly even be targeting these highs. Essentially, you never know with the global crypto market. So yeah, but what is the short term? You can see we're slowly approaching it very quickly. Let's quickly look at Bitcoin. Okay, explains why everything is up. You can see Bitcoin is exploding towards upside, near enough 44k. Crazy numbers. Look at the wicks, the accumulation phase, the selling climax, the secondary test, the spring, the retest, and then therefore you've pretty much completed the accumulation phase, which is crazy stuff. This is what we like to see when it comes to crypto market. We like to see this type of volatility, as it pretty much just makes it more fun for for us traders, to trade or even just invest as well, as people make money But let's go back to Avalanche, and yeah. But let's quickly look on the weekly. Yep, so you can see Avalanche is now starting to have a bit of pretty much change in character essentially. Hopefully we can break above this last bullish candle, and then therefore then we could possibly see a change in character, and then therefore it would look more bullish in my opinion. But till then we're gonna have to wait and see until price breaks past this region, as previously it had failed. So yeah, this is pretty much the main target, and once it breaches past this, then we can uh, clarify that Avalanche is now uh, in an uptrend. But we would have to wait and see on how it reacts to when it comes to these zones. But as you can see in the lower time frames, we are still overall bullish, or it could just be that price is coming back up to mitigate this region and then possibly even drop lower. But you never know with this the crypto thing. So you just gotta be patient and just keep holding. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs and peace.